Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a profile card like this using HTML and CSS. So this is my image and here I have written the Becodewala and frontend developer. When I hover on this message button, it will change the color. When I hover on follow me, it will change the color. So when I hover on this TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn and Discord, the cursor should become pointer. See, when I hover it become pointer. So to make the profile card like this, we are going to use HTML and CSS. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe us. So come to our VS Code. Here is my VS Code. In my HTML file, I have taken the basic structure of HTML, and in this I have taken this link font awesome. For getting that font, I can show you this TikTok, YouTube and LinkedIn icons are there. For that getting, I have linked the font awesome CDN. So after that I have linked my CSS file, which you can show here is my CSS file. I can show here. So in this I have taken a title profile card. Here is the title. You can see above web page is the title profile card. So in body tag I have taken a div with class content. Whatever content we are going to put, for that I have taken a class content, and in this div I have taken class img, and in this div I have taken two img tags, and in this I have given the source of the my image. So here is my source of my image. When I click on it, wait, I show you. See, here is my image. So that is the in background. Here I can show you. Here is the background. And for this profile, one more picture I have added. So this is another picture. So I have linked this to src file, and after that I have taken the class bg and with 200 pixel, and this another img tag I have taken class avatar and with 200 pixel. After that I have taken a h2 tag. So in this I have written Becodewala. After that I have taken a div with class skills. So here I have written my skills in h2 tag frontend developer. So out of this div I have taken another div with class btns. So after this I have taken the div with class btn and btn1, and I have written message. So after that I have taken the div with class button and class btn2. So here I have written follow me. So for this button message and follow me I have taken the button class. So for that I have given. So out of this div I have taken another div with class icons, and in this I have taken three icons tag, and in this icon tags first I have taken TikTok, second YouTube third LinkedIn, and fourth Discord. And in this YouTube, I have given an anchor tag. When I click on my this YouTube icon, it will go to my YouTube channel. So to get this icon, I have given the I tag. So here is our I tag. So come to our CSS file. Here I have import my font family. In after that, for the whole web page, I have taken margin 0, padding 0, and font family, transcript and cursive, and font family, Sora and sans serif. You just select none and text decoration none. After that, I've taken body tag, and in this body tag I've taken the background color. I can show you this background color. After that, I have taken the display flex, justify content center, align item center, and minimum height 100 VH. After that, I am going to target my class content. I can show you my class content. Here is my class content. So in that I have taken width 310 pixel, height 500 pixel, and a background color. So after that I have taken box shadow, and after that I have taken padding 12 pixel, and border radius 8 pixel. Then I have taken the img class. Here is my img class. So in this position I have taken relative, and in this img I have given the bg class. So this bg class I have taken width 100% and border radius 8 pixel and 0. So after that I have taken our class avatar. You can see here class avatar. In this I have taken width 115 pixel, border radius 50% and position absolute left 10 pixel and bottom minus 57.5 pixel. Then I have taken a border 7 pixel solid and a color code. So after that I have taken h2 tag. So here is our h2 tag. So position absolute I have taken, color white, right 25 pixel and bottom minus 37 pixel and font size 26 pixel. After that I have taken our class skills. Here is my class skills. In this I have taken position absolute, left 50%, top 53%, and transform translate minus 50% and minus 50% from horizontal and vertical. After that, in skill tag I have taken h2 heading. Here the front end developer. So here I have taken the color code. So after that I have taken text align center and line height 30 pixel. Then I have taken my class btns. So this is my class. So after that taken position absolute, left 50%, top 66%, transform translate minus 50% and minus 50% from horizontal vertical. So after that I have taken height 70 pixel and width 230 pixel and display flex, align item center and justify content space between. Then I have taken this btn class. So in this btn class I have taken the width 100%, 100 pixel and background color code. Can show you my background color code. After that I have taken height 40 pixel display flex, align item center, justify content center, and font size 18 pixels. Then I have taken transition point 2 second and it should be linear. So now I have taken border 3 pixel solid and a color. So after that I have taken cursor pointer and border radius 3 pixel. Then when you hover in this button it will change the background color to this and color should be white. So after that I have taken our first child in button class. Our background color should be this and text color should be white. Then when we hover on first our child class, the color should change like this. I can show you. When I hover on it, see color changing the background color. So come here to our VS Code. So here color I have taken black. So then icons. For icons class can show you. Here is the icon class. Then in this I have taken Z index 9. Absolute position should be absolute and left 50%, top 78%, and transform translate minus 15 50% and minus 50% from horizontal and vertical. Then I have taken with 200 pixel and display flex. Align item I have taken center, justify content space between, and a height 50 pixel, and color code I can show you here, and font size 19 pixel. Then for all the icons I have taken the when I cursor on in it, it will a pointer. When I cursor on it, see pointer, see it will show a hand like point, see. So like this we have made our profile card using HTML and CSS. Hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We meet in next video.